In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80248014 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update. To run the Windows Update Troubleshooter that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, that will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to run some commands. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Copy these commands, which will be posted in the description box below. Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V and hit Enter. The system scan will begin. So wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, copy the second command, which is the DISM command. So after the SFC scan, then run the DISM command. And after the two commands have been successfully completed, then type exit in the command prompt window, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.